Wait for a minute. If you want a perfect chicken biryani in your first try, here's the exact method and follow the same recipe for the exact delicious chicken biryani in your first try. The quantity of the chicken is here half kg and the ingredients shown in the video I have mentioned in the description. You can follow the same and marinate very well for the 30 minutes and keep aside and soak the rice for 20 minutes. Heat the oil with the ghee and you have to let that get heated and add the sliced onions and you have to fry until it comes to the golden brownish color. Add the ginger garlic paste and then coriander powder and then chilli powder, turmeric powder, and the majorly is garam masala. The quantity of all this is 1 spoon and add the tomatoes here and you will mix it very well and you will add here the curd. The curd is the main ingredient here. So you'll add the curd also. You'll mix and you will mix the marinated chicken here. Mix it very well. And now I'm adding water here. The quantity of the rice was half kg, so I'm adding 2 glasses of water which is already there in the chicken. So I'm just adding 2 glasses of water. So until it comes one boil and you will add 1 pinch food color here and then the green chilies and dhania patta. You will mix it very well here and you will add here the soaked rice and you will mix it here as well very well. Now since this is a chicken, so you can set for 2 whistles here and after 2 whistles there is a perfect chicken biryani in your first try. Here it is. Enjoy the biryani with your friends, families, neighbors. Thank you for watching. If you did, please do subscribe and comment down.